everyone knows go, right? Go. So in the past, what's go in the past? Went. Okay, so we know that went is the past, so this is the present. And this is the past.
Morning.
Good morning. And the past participle? What's up?
Gone.
Gone. Yeah.
Gone.
Gone. So we have go, we have went, and we have gone. Okay, so now let's use it in a sentence. Okay? Let's see. I go every day. Every Friday. Okay? It's just simple sentence. Okay? I go to the movies every Friday. Yes? It's simple? So now how do we change that to the past? How do we change that?
I went last Friday.
I went. Okay, good. So we change here. I went to the movies, and then we have to change our time frequency.
Last Friday.
Last Friday. Okay, that's pretty simple, right? So we have the present and we have the past. Yes? Any questions so far? No, that one's clear. Okay, so now the present perfect. Present perfect. Now remember, whenever we use these present perfect, we have to use that have. Remember, we talked about last week, we must use have. So this gone only works if I use have gone. Okay? Have gone. So we'll use the same sentence with have gone. How do you think it will look? What do you think?
I'm not going to the movie every Friday.
Okay, let's try it. So I have gone to the movies. I've gone to the movies when?
Every month.
What is it?
Every month.
Every month? Yeah. Okay.
On Friday.
Yeah, let's say on Fridays. Like that? I've gone to the movies on Fridays. So this is something that you do every day. Every day, present. Okay? Anytime. Then we have it in the past. And this one, this past participle, I have gone to the movies on Fridays. You're talking about an experience. Remember I said that this talks about an experience that you've had in the past. It's not a very specific point, but it's something that you've done. Now this one it says on Fridays, but I mean it can be any Friday. Now let's use one of these here. Okay? Let's see. Okay. I have gone. Okay, first before I use this, what does since mean? What does since mean? Alright, I know that's there, but what does it mean? What does it mean?
In a specific time.
Specific time and
No,
not a specific time. Maybe it kind of introduces a specific time, maybe? What do you think? What does since mean? What does since mean? What's
It's time.
a time?
In time.
A time frame? A time frame? Yeah. Okay. So let's say it is in the past, right? It talks about the past. Well, does it talk about the future? Since talk about the future? No.
No.
It talks about the past. It talks about the past. So let's use an example now. The time now is 6:15, right? The time now is 6:15. Okay. The time now, do this. 6:15. Okay. Jose?
Yeah.
What time did you wake up this morning?
5 o'clock.
5 o'clock. Okay, 5 o'clock, you woke up. Okay, so, and that's in the past, right?
Yeah.
5 a.m. Okay, so who's 5 o'clock? Now, what time? If I can give you if Jose always wakes up at 5 o'clock, and the present was Jose wakes up at 5 o'clock every day. Okay? And then in the past, Jose woke up at 5 o'clock, right? Now, in the past part, he has woken up. Again, it's going to change. But I want to show you something here. At 5 o'clock, he woke up. Okay? Woke up. Okay. Good morning. Okay, so Jose this example, Jose has been awake since 5 a.m. Talks about a specific point in the past until now. Awake. Let's change awake. The opposite. Opposite sleeping, awake. So since introduces my time in the past to this moment now. So this since gives me all of this time. I'll give you another example. I see. Give you another example. Okay.
Since all
The science just used in only in class.
oh, we can use in past participle.
Right. This is the past participle. Since. Yes, with the present perfect.
Present perfect.
With the present perfect.
In present tense.
No, no, because it's in past.
No, because it's a past. Yes, this talks about a time in the past. Since talks about a time in the past. Okay? And it gives you, it introduces the specific point in the past, which is right here. And it talks about what is happening or what has been happening in this time frame until now. This is now. I'll give you another example. The first time I ever taught a class, my first class was I think in 2005. I think 2005 was the first time. From that year till now, I've been teaching. Okay? Teach. Have taught. Okay, so I teach every day. I taught yesterday. I have taught. I have taught since.
Yes, 2005.
So this introduces